The Church Channel is the only network broadcasting the very best in church services and ministry programs from across the nation 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
From coast to coast and around the world, it's time to praise the Lord.
The Church Channel was launched in 2002 by the Trinity Broadcasting Network, better known as TBN, the world's largest Christian broadcaster. Our goal is to produce top-notch televised services and programs. There are over 330,000 churches in America, and the Church Channel is the only network bringing you the very best right into the homes of viewers across the nation. Some of the most popular speakers include Joel Osteen.
And that's why it's so important that you get a vision of victory for your life. No matter what your circumstances look like, you've got to begin to see yourselves as the overcomers God made you to be.
Joyce Meyer.
You put on the shoes of peace. And the way you do that is by making a decision. I don't know what's going to happen in my life today, but I'm deciding before I ever go out the door that whatever it is, I'm up for it.
T.D. Jakes.
Who else but Jesus could you bring him to a cemetery where a dead man had been entombed for 4 days, and he said, Lazarus, come forth, and a dead man get happy and leap out of the tomb?
It's been decades in the making, but now we are proud to welcome to the TBN family from Sacramento, California, the pastor of Calvary Christian Center, Dr. Philip George Godot.
If Christ is in you, the hope of glory, listen to me, you can receive whatever you need anywhere you want to receive it.
We are happy to announce that Dr. Godot will now be shoulder to shoulder with some of America's most prominent pastors, speakers, and ministers. Welcome, Dr. Godot, and welcome Calvary Christian Center to the TBN Network.